Yes, today we're going to talk about on how to put a space or spaces on your display name on your Roblox. Um, First, you want to have an VPN. If you're in the US or United States, there's no need for a VPN, but you just need to download that if you're not located in the United States. So I'm not located in the United States, so I just download this Express VPN. But if you want a free VPN, you can download Proton VPN. You can find it here. Here you can find this Proton VPN. Then you can download this for free. And after that, I will turn on my VPN as the United States and go to Roblox to log in or sign up. Choose every uh, every birthday you want. But this is an example only. Uh, and go ahead and sign up. And it may take a while. Just mhm. And go to the settings. As you can see here, there is my username and the display name, and I can put spaces here, and then you can now save it. And I will click the refresh button, and then there you have it. There is a space right on the name, and also fluid is the key. Oh, I cannot change it anymore because the name has already been changed, and you can change it again after 7 days. But then it worked. You just need a VPN and just set it to USA if you're not located in the USA. But mine, I'm in the Philippines right now, and here I click to USA so I can apply these settings on my Roblox account or any Roblox account. And then that's it.